Hello, class 8 students. Today we will study science chapter 7, conservation of plants and animals. Plants and animals umzia kan chichewa thaile ramsa te humhal dan te humhal na ho khatyang kong tyang te kha kan zirtur chu ni conservation of plants and animals. Okay, first question, fill in the blanks. Place where animals are protected in their natural habitat is called wildlife sanctuary. Any wildlife sanctuary kan ti chuanin animals se ho I anom na hmun tur bika nge ni an protect an hum hal na hmun kha wildlife sanctuary ni heta wildlife sanctuary ya chuanin I any plants kha an hum hal velem lova animals ho chau kha an hum hal chun chu ni mo wildlife sanctuary chuan next one is species found only in a particular area is known as endemic species. Mo endemic species kan ti chuanin omna hmun bik nei angchi ho kha endemic species an ni mo omthe animals I Mizoram te ve ngai me lo kan mu ngai me lo angchi te an omani chungang ho te chu I omna hmun bik an nei a mo I aram hmun a zirte a forest a zirte khangang kha endemic species chu an ni a heng te hi endemic species kan ti te chu nia hei rhino te lion kan ti te chuanin hei dodo kan ti passenger pigeon an ti ang chi te khang te ang chi te kha endemic species mo I Mizoram chuan kan hmu lo hengang hi engma Mizoram chuan kan hmu ve lawang khangang chi te kha endemic species chun hei hi India rama endemic species kan nei ten ni o. Next, migratory birds fly to faraway places because of climatic changes. Migratory birds kan dito san hey savachen khat I season a zira mundanga inson chinang how ka migratory birds ani entirnan anom na mun kha alolum talutuka chuwang chuan khowot deuh na mun an pan le ati chuan kha khowot na mun kha thasika to na lo vot le ma a chuwang chuanin an tang khan umlo shom le a chu da chuan an pem sun le kha tyanga pem ko lang chi ho ka migratory birds an ni mom they birds to fly far away places because of climatic changes mom and those birds are migratory birds. Okay, and next is wildlife sanctuary. Differences between wildlife sanctuary and biosphere reserve. A wildlife sanctuary 2, the area reserved in a forest for the protection of wild animals. How big and protect na mun mo wild animals ram sa haute and protect na big mun kha wildlife sanctuary ani the animals haute and protect na mun big kha wildlife sanctuary ani all. Next is Biosphere Reserve. Biosphere Reserve, the area meant for the protection or conservation of the biodiversity. It also helps in maintaining the culture of that area. Biosphere Reserve chuanin plants le animals of puin khang lai mun bi mun khat tam mun zau tak mo huam ni Biosphere Reserve chuanin I animals chau huam lova plants chau huam lova mo eneng abul khami hmuna mi zong thil eng kim mei lung zong te ponang chu khang zong kha awam ve kan protect ve kani biosphere reserve a chuan awam zau lu tukani o. And next is differences between zoo and wildlife sanctuary. Book zoo a chuan e kan strat ang kan zoo chu sui fia vak po ngai lawanga I sahwan ania I animals how te kha I engenang protected in an artificial habitat anomna natural habitat ni lavin anomna munturan siam chopa anda ti chuan ennom hu nomatan te an manga mo kha zoo ni na ni atin heta wildlife sanctuary a te pokanin animals te khan hum hal kan ti thau sia enga tinge I adang lam le kan ti mai theya ma se ai nang lo ni he hi chu an anom na mun hi siam chop artificial habitat ani mo wildlife sanctuary a chuanin a protected area where animals live in their natural habitat chu an siam chak sak chop na ni lavin their natural habitat a kan an hum halani mo anom na mun ngeta khanin in their natural habitat. Okay, endangered species Endangered species take two. The species of animals whose numbers are diminishing to such a level that they might face extinction. Endangered species to chereo chep to mo che ngenang I to lo chep ang chi ma se tle ma zong chu mu turan lo ma ama iro chu an species an ma ni ang chi hau kha riral boral chep to ang chi hau kha endangered species an ni atin extinct species ve thung chu an lo na chu extinct chu an ral vek to ni mu turanum to lo mo extinct species hei mammoth kan ti te ice age kan chianga ice age kan mu ka mi elephant lian tak ang chi kha mammoth an ya tin saber tooth tiger kan ti te dodo kan ti te mo kha tiang ang chi hau kha Tasmanian tiger kan ting chi hau kha riral to mo and din an hei dinosaur kan ting chi te ka extinct animals. Next is flora and fauna differences between flora and fauna. Flora chu ingeniang plants found in a particular area mo mun abi ka pangpar le thai zong zong hau kha flora anni mo and fauna chuanin animals found in a particular area animals big soina nia entirnan ram hun bi ka animals hau zong zong soi khom na kha fauna anni mo entirnan heta kan zir to ang khanin forest ngenang tropical rainforest a ramsa zong zong hau kha fauna ani an man ni soi nan khan fauna ani mo fauna in tropical rainforest kan ti theyang. And why should we conserve biodiversity? Engwangin nge biodiversity kan hum halang biodiversity chu ahwam zau plants and animals living organisms zong zong kha ahwam ve kan ni mo. And your answer is the variety in life existing on the earth and their relationships with the environment is referred to as biodiversity. Biodiversity te chuan kan he khovela thil ho zong zong kanin kung kai na mo khatyang relationships kan nei veka mo entinan plants nen te pon relationship kan nei animals nen pon relationships kan nei vek san chu in mamo ton na kan nei veka khang kha biodiversity chu ni mo kan sui fe dan tur chuan in life existing on the earth mo khovela to zong zong and their relationships with the environment kan chevel tenena kanin kung kai kanin lai chin na zong zong kha huam ve kani biodiversity chuan mo and we should conserve biodiversity so as to maintain the food chain mo we should conserve biodiversity so as to maintain the food chain chu hemi kanin ei ton na kanin ei chhonzel na process a food chain ani a he antinan as you seen in the picture deer khan in grass a aya deer kha lion in aya ti chuan lion kha a aya ti chuan kha mi e ka khanin he ta engenang beetles kan tiang chi ti hau khanin an lo tlan le a ti chuan kha lei tha nan mo an kha mi e ka ti kha lei tha lo chang le ti khan thai tam bu ka thale teng khan kha food chain and the disturbance in the food chain may affect the whole ecosystem mo kami abuai ve chuan kan khovel pumpu ecosystem kanin ei chon na kha abuai zo vek don ani protected forests are also not completely safe for wild animals why engwangin a protected forest ram ngohum hal le azel po kha ram sa te tang khanin a safe lo a ngenang a him tok lo enge chanyang more protected forests are also not completely safe for wild animals. And your answer is since capturing and killing of animals by poachers is still rampant in protected forests and areas, so they are not safe for wild animals. Poachers chu hei sapel chin ho te kha mo I khwa kiran har em is still rampant khwa kir thei lawin an la oma mo and protect the chung po lo la ka brain wang khanin so they are not safe for wild animals thu kan oi lo wang te khang khanin ramsa poi soi mi alo te khanin an tor pha zela atop pa pe chuan an lo chereu pha hiala I an chereu chuanin heta keima ni mishing te thleng khan kan twar le vek thau si ani mon apoi em ni And for your next question, some tribals depend on the jungle. How? Tribals kan ti chan nam mol kan ting chi te ko ka heng how te hi iram hnuai a hian an in depend ngor ani engkim me hi bazar a te chuan engman le ve lo tu kani ram hnuai jungle a khanin anin depend ani engting nge anin ram hnuaiah khanin anin hnang fak dan kha kan endon ni o. And your answer is some tribes depend on the jungle for the fulfillment of their basic needs of life such as food, medicine, clothing, shelter, etc. Mo jungle an depend dan chu engkim an chu te medicine kan ti ngen in enkol na tur dam doi thleng khan ram hmul dam doi te khan hmang veka an she em ma mo tin an ngen an clothing an thuam hno thleng mai te an in sak thleng khan in ram hnuai atanga an lak vek ani mo an manin an in siam ve ti na ni chu engma khol an mamolo an ma ni khanin ram hnuaia thil mang khan anin depend thei vek bik ani chu mo. And for your next question, what are the causes and consequences of deforestation? Deforestation ramngot ti chereu na hi enge achan mo hi causes enge thlentir tu le consequences kan itona kai noi enge athlen ti te kha I kan inang what are the causes and consequences of deforestation? First is causes of deforestation. Natural causes like forest fires, droughts, etc. Forest fires kan sheve kangaram kang lua china dro kang te kha forest fires ania tin droughts cooking kan ti te kang kha deforestation ram ngo cherevina a effect vek mo cause anilo causes of deforestation thlen tu mo ram kang te cooking te tin building factories and houses in kan sa na sa kan in sakte kha ramngo kan lalau thei lawa mo enge nyang kan thing kan man zong zong te kha ram hnuai om ve kan and procuring land for cultivation thai kan chin na te hei lo kan nei te zong zong te and making furniture and using wood as fuel thai nyang furniture kan siam na te thing ania forest kan la kan nia tin kan mei to te thleng te hanin ut ve kan nia chung zong zong chanin atopa chuan ramngo chereu kha alo thlen thin ani mo ramngo kha kan ti chereu pha thin ani heng zong zong te and consequences deforestation in a thlen ve thung mo natural calamities like floods etc tui lian te mo natural calamities anti chuan siam chop ni lo natural chiat na thil mo and increase in the temperature of the earth that is global warming kan khovel lum lu tuk to te hi global warming ani mo khovel lum lu tuk to global warming hi achan chu deforestation in athlen vek ani mo akai noi ramngo cherewa changaron piang ani achan chu trees te khan borak tha an siam thina ma se trees te an lo tlem to awang khanin thingkung ten lo tlema chuwang chuanin khovel khala lum to ani mo alo lum te and change in the physical properties of soil mo heng engenyang lei chungchang te alo dang lama hi thatak chin te mo lei soil thatak chin te kha lo chezawa achan chu achunglang lampang kha mo tui lian te kha na len zawa tui achunglang lei thalai te kha tikhan a decrease in groundwater level lei hnuai tui groundwater mo lei hnuai tui om te kha alo om to lawa chan chu tui na in siam tur khan trees bo khan poimotin extinction of many flora and fauna plants le animals te an chereu na sat pha em bokani kha deforestation ina athlen mo angong te ani. And what is red data book? Red data book chu nge nyang hangai to te enge red data book chu in ring bo rong sen chu ne don nge ya data kan ti chuan thil poimo da khom na mun ani ngen ma se red data book chu ni berang. Okay, red data book is a source book which keeps records of all endangered plants and animals. Endangered chu kan soifia to kha ramngo plants riral chep to mo chereu chep to te inzia na record na book ha plants and animals plants le animals ani chu animals chau ni lovin thlai te po khami record na book ha red data book ani mo chereu trep to ma chela an la chereu lo ma se endangered an to mo danger an to ni chung how record na book ha red data book ani. And next is what do you understand by the term migration? Migration kan ti chon pem mo pem kan ti kha migration ani pema ni maya enge ma se achan kha umdona ni mo. What do you understand by the term migration? Migration means the movement of a species from its own habitat to some other place during a certain period in a year for breeding or to overcome some climatic conditions. Kahita kan sui tuang kha migratory birds ti pokhan I an omna hmun kha an change du wang khanin an thok kwal china hayata I summer khanin I alo lum em a mo I phai lampang te kha lo lum em ta ma se ti khanin I Mizoram anga te lo pem tang sela lo zia deuh le ka ma se I khwa lo vo deuh khan na vo tan ti le to de chang mun lum lampang deuh te khan pan le kha tyang khan an kwal china ni ani lo pun no nei tur for breeding or to overcome some climatic conditions. And explain how deforestation leads to reduced rainfall. Enge deforestation wanga I enge nyang ruatui tlak lem na chan mo ramngo cherewa wanga enge ruatui de ya han ngong dan kha explain mo enge engtinge kan soi fiang deforestation ramngo cherewa wanga I rainfall ati boy rainfall ati tlem na chan te kan endon ani mo. Okay, trees give out a huge amount of water in the form of water vapor during transpiration. Trees te ho hi an transpire kan ti to kha an chan chu an stomata an pores oma chang khanin I tui hiron chhuak ve china ni chu I ahu mo water vapor mang khan wana achawa trees ngai tola trees tam taka chuanin wana chho tu water vapor kha tam do na ni han ngai thwa teule I forest a khan trees tam taka noma ma che khatianga trees te han an cherewa thingkung te mo an omlo ta ka kha chuanin wana water vapor chho tur cloud ta insiam tur kha alo tlem ta ni mo. The reduction of water vapor affects cloud formation and thus results in less rainfall. I chuma insiam tur kha atlem pha ta sot ta ni chu mo trees an omlo chuan chu wang chuanin I chuma tlem na chuan ruatui kha I aron tla tlem don ta ni and thus results in less rainfall. Why should paper be saved? Prepare a list of ways by which you can save paper. Engwangin nge paper te hi kan hum halang enge kan renang. Prepare a list of ways by which you can save paper. Engtin nge I paper te kha kan save ang mo. Engtin nge kan renang engtin nge enge nang kan ren semang ti te kha kan endon ani. Okay, a large number of trees can be saved by saving paper. Trees bok tu lo poi moleta ni achan chu mawo changin paper kan siam chin ti kan chevek to angatro ma se khatyanga trees te an chereu chuanin I paper kha kan ne don lon mai ro chu paper kha kan ren chem chuan mo paper kha kan ren na chuan I engenyang trees I kha I kan ren ve tina ni chu inchi thiamem asiam na bera kha trees ani wang khan paper kha kan rem chem chuan so this will also save water that is used to manufacture paper. Tui kan ren chem pa bok paper siam na khan tuian mamo tam em bokani. So moreover the harmful chemicals used in paper making will show their least effects on human beings and other organisms. Mo achan le dang pakhat chu I paper siam na khanin chemicals tam takan mang ve boka chu mishing tan le organisms chen khata na chalo khan mang tel thawani chu wang chuanin paper kan ren chim chuan khang zung kha kan avoid don ti na ni mo. And in some ways to save paper are the following: recycling of paper. Recycling kan sianga paper kha an recycle le man nu kan mang non le don ani to recycling of paper. And next is economical use of paper. Ren chem takin paper kha kan manga and paper should not be burned kan hal mai lo tur ni. Okay, that's all for today.